Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 11th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you know, I like doing these videos usually, but there are some days I'd rather not, and today is one of those days. Dow Jones Industrial Average is all over the place today. I've been reading that they say for the last 6 out of 7 days it has had 100-point swings, and of course we know that because we've been following it every day. But volatility is definitely up in these markets, and volatility helps us. I'm glad to see volatility in the markets, but when we get a day like today where the Dow Jones starts out, sells off over 100 points right at the very beginning, then climbs up, gets into positive territory, and then sells off again, ending up closing down 116 points. That kind of choppiness is very tough to trade. You just really can't make money in the market doing our style of trading with those kinds of markets. Anyway, you know, we had positive open trade equity on the close yesterday. This morning, within 15 minutes of the open, that positive open trade equity had gone to over $10,000 negative. That was really rough. It did come back some, and we managed to close out with only $2,500 in losses. I say only $2,500 in losses because if we closed out with $10,000 in losses, it would have been a lot worse. But still, it was not a good day. We saw a positive open trade again go negative. And then what's got me more disturbed than that is that we're holding only 4 positions in open trade, but they are down a negative $5,000. And, you know, those trades aren't going to get much better tomorrow. I really don't think so. Anyway, we got to keep our fingers crossed. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking and showing bad charts, but this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see right on the open, this thing just collapsed well over 100 points down there, and then it starts coming back. And you know, I looked at our open trade and everything. We were doing pretty well when it got up around here, but then it collapses again and does this, and you know, it could have been worse. Our closeout trade was only $2,500 negative, but still, this was not a good day. Don't like the looks of that chart at all. I'll show you our biggest disappointment today. I showed you this trade yesterday in CSIQ, Canadian Solar, and we had bought this thing yesterday, and it just went up. And when it closed yesterday, we had over $4,000 in open trade, and of course it just crapped out right at the beginning and drifted down and came back just a little for us. But anyway, we went from having over $4,000 in open trade equity to this market to finally closing it out with $400. That's quite a difference. And if we had just been able to hold on to CSIQ today, hold those $4,000 trade open trade, we would have actually closed with a small profit today. But that was not to be. CSIQ just did not hold it. So it was a bad day. I don't know what to say. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.